Welcome back, fellow maidens. It is I, the Dark Fair Maiden, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be recreating Morticia Addams. So, getting tuned for the spooky season, I thought I would do a Morticia Addams look for you. So, starting off, we are going to get rid of the eyebrows, and no, that does not mean shaving them away. We're just going to be using some Pritt Stick to flatten them down. So once you've applied the Pritt Stick to both eyebrows, use a eyebrow brush to get rid of any excess glue and kind of shape them in the way that is straight and flat to your face. So recreate those fine cheekbones that Morticia Addams has. We're going to be using the special effects makeup for that. To do that, we're going to apply some liquid latex to our face. I'm using a cheap brand off of Amazon. It's fine on my face, but you might want to do a tester on your own skin if you have very sensitive skin. I'm just using a sponge to apply that. And once it dries in, I can then apply my scar putty, and this is just a Revolution brand from Boots. So I apply this to the area that I want to accentuate on my cheeks. Then using a metal spatula, I kind of merge it onto my skin, scraping it flatly so it kind of looks like it's part of my skin. As you can see, this takes a little bit of work, but once you get it, it looks kind of cool. Then we'll go in with some concealer over the eyebrows and over the special effects makeup. This will help the color correction when it comes to applying your makeup or face paint. Then using some translucent powder, apply that over the areas you applied the concealer. Next, I'm going in with some white Snazaroo face paint all over my face. You just have to apply a tiny bit of water to the face paint, and then rub the sponge into it. Don't apply the water to the sponge because it'll make the paint too watery and it won't stick to your face as well. So apply as many coats as you feel you need, and then using a small brush, you can get those harder to reach areas. Next, I start to apply the black to my eyes. I just kind of do like a hooded eye look for this. And then just blend as much as you feel necessary. Using black face paint, you can even use eyeliner, whatever you have available, to then recreate your eyebrows. So these are quite dramatic, as you can see. Morticia's are quite dramatic. So I just try and get those as even as possible. Morticia has quite a kind of sharp, bold lip, so I apply the bottom and top lip with this kind of dark red. Then I apply a darker, bolder red. And last but not least, eyelashes. So I'm going to use some false eyelashes for this. I feel it really helps with that dramatic look. So I do admit I have not really used fake eyelashes before. It's not really something I use. And there you have the finished Morticia Addams look. I hope this has helped you create your spooky look for this Halloween. Thank you very much for watching. Farewell.